Today we're walking out to Neak Poan. We'll talk a bit more about that shortly. But it's surrounded by a huge Baray, which is a water reservoir. We're heading towards the middle of the wet season, so there's more water in here at the moment. The trees there in the distance remind us of Yarrawonga, the dead trees in the water. Neak Poan is a 12th century temple built on a man-made island on a Baray, or a water storage area. 12th century, built by Jayavarman VII. And it's said that it is one of many of the hospitals that Jayavarman VII was responsible for building throughout his reign across the Angkorian Empire. Poan, or Boa, means snake. So they say that this temple is named after the two intertwined serpents at the base of the central temple. We like coming out here this time of the year because not only do you see a lot of the beautiful flowers, but you see a lot of dragonflies. We see more dragonflies here than anywhere else that we've been to. Looking back towards the road, you can see how long the walkway is. Totally uncovered, so a good day for a sun hat. In the distance you'll see what looks like a very tall, straggly tree. It's not a tree. They build a lot of telecommunication towers around the area, and they make them look a little bit like trees, I imagine, so that they think they're a little bit environmental. You can take a little walk off the main track here and head towards the dike wall. Been lucky enough to hear some gibbons very close by in previous visits. So surrounding the temple is a huge dike, or Baray, water storage. All the way around this are huge laterite blocks that have been built as part of the retaining wall. It would dwarf the amount of rock used to build some of the temples. And over in the distance, that's a small mountain called Nom Bok, sort of out north of Siem Reap City. And now we walk back in towards the temple. And along the way there are plenty of spots where we like to stop and take photos of insects, of plants, of fungi. Here's the central tower of the small temple of Neak Poan, which literally means entwined serpents or snakes. It's a Hindu temple built by Jayavarman VII in the 12th century. And as said, it's one of many hospitals that he built throughout the empire during his reign. It's actually surrounded by 4 water ponds, each of them having a symbolic meaning of earth, wind, fire and water. And it's believed that they had some healing properties for the people at this hospital. The central temple was surrounded by 4 very large animal statues: a horse, an elephant, a lion and a bull. They all had animal heads except for the bull that had a human head. All that remains now that can be seen more so during the dry season is the horse. Again, up the top of the tower we see a lotus. There's a lot of restoration occurring at this small temple, so you're very limited as to how close you can get to some things at the moment. And on a very still day you get some beautiful reflections of the central tower. We've got some workers out there chipping away at the vegetation. Just from a different angle. There's the horse statue. Many restoration projects are funded by foreign countries, but in this case the restoration being done here at the moment is actually being funded through the national budget of Cambodia. What they're actually doing here is they're draining part of the water reservoir, one of the 4 little dams, and they're stabilising the foundations so that it doesn't all collapse in the years to come. So this project is about 6 months long, and it keeps plenty of locals in work. A good chance to see the construction. You've got the higher level stones are sandstone. Down the bottom as a base is the laterite, and it's the same as what they do with the temples. They use the laterite as the foundation and then the sandstone above. And around the main temple there are a number of these small structures which are still used by locals today, an area to worship with the incense, with the fruit and incense and money offerings to a small little shrine in the middle. I think there's 3 of these here on this site. Possibly very hard to see, but in the water down below the men is the twisted tail of the serpent. Neak Poan, twisted serpent. So that's the tail, if you can see it, just below the men. And the restoration staff taking meticulous measurements of things, because when they disassemble they need to put things back the way that they exactly were. So at the moment it's pretty hard to see a lot around Neak Poan, but it's exciting to see all of the renovation going at the moment. It will be good to come back after 6 months when they plan for it to be completed, to see it in a bit of its former glory. Neak Poan. We'll now take a walk back across the Baray to the main road and take a ride home. So today's visit was Neak Poan, entwined serpents.